So hello, the topic today is about the loss of exponent of a negative exponent. So this topic is under to the algebra subject. So ganito yan guys, let's say yung letter A natin is 5. So ginagamit to kapag merong negative exponent. Gets? Let's say yung A natin is 5 and then the negative M is negative 1. So bali nakita nyo negative yung exponent natin, which is the negative 1 is re-reciprocal natin. May imaginary number dyan, ay may invisible na 1 dyan. So re-reciprocal. So 1 over 5 raised to 1. So equals to 1 over 5. Yung sagot. Gets? Kasi 5 raised to 1 is equals to 5. Gets? So next problem. Next naman tayo din dito. Ginagamit to kapag yung buong exponent is negative. Halimbawa, yung buong sinasakop niya is negative. Naka-raise to negative exponent. Halimbawa is 5 yung x natin, yung y natin is 6 raised to negative n. Ang negative n natin is negative 2. So, pag flip natin silang dalawa, so magiging 6 over 5 raised to positive 2. So, ganun siya guys. Nagpi-flip silang buo, then yung exponent sa labas is magiging positive. Gets? So, guys, introduction pa lang to. So, game. Let's proceed to the next problem. So, hello. So, for the first problem is x raised to negative 3. So, makita nyo ang exponent is what? Negative. So, i-reciprocal natin. May imaginary, ay may invisible na 1 dyan. So, bali 1 over x cube ang sagot. Gets? Next. Ito naman. 1 over 2 raised to negative 3. I-reciprocal lang natin. Pagbabaliktad. So, bali yung 2, yung 1 raised to over 2 raised to negative 3 is re-reciprocal niya, babaliktad. So, 2 raised to positive 3. Magiging positive na yan kasi binaliktad na natin. 2 times 2 times 2 is equals to 8. So, bali yung sagot dyan is 8. Gets? So, next problem tayo is 2 over x raised to negative 5. 2x raised to negative 5. So, bali re-reciprocal natin. Bali ganito yung mangyari guys. So dahil yung x natin, ito lang yung naka-negative sign, and then this one is positive, may invisible 1 dyan. So bali yung ito lang yung ipi-flip natin, i-reciprocal. So 2 over reciprocal niya, may invisible 1 dyan. So pagbabaliktad. So x raised to 5. Gets? So next. Ito naman. So, kung makikita nyo, yung x raised to negative 3 is negative. Naka-negative exponent siya. So, ito lang kukunin natin. And then, ito, may imaginary number na 1. Gets? So, first natin gagawin is pwede rin ganito. So, ito ay naka-quotient rule. So, x raised to negative 3 minus, saan galing yung minus? Sa quotient rule yan. Ito, na xm over xn. xm minus n, the quotient rule. Gets? So, next, proceed tayo. So, x raised to negative 3 minus negative 2. So, bali magiging sagot dyan is 3x. Negative times negative is positive. Negative 3 plus 2 is equals to 3x. Negative 3 plus 2 is negative 1. So, kung makikita nyo, may invisible 1 dyan. And then, etong x raised to negative 1 is iwalay. Ito. So, ito yung gagamitin natin. So, bali 3 over x. Pinlift lang natin kasi may invisible 1 dyan dito. So, ito yung sagot, guys. Gets? The next problem is 3 raised to negative 2 over the x raised to 5. So, dahil ito lang yung naka-negative exponent, so, ibig sabihin, dadalhin natin sa baba. I-reciprocal natin. Dadalhin na lang natin sa baba. So, bali yung sagot dyan is 1, may matitirang 1 dito. 1 over 3 raised to 2, nagiging positive sign, and x raised to 5. So, sagot is 1 over 3 raised to 2 is 9x 5. So, ito yung tamang sagot guys. Gets? Next is that this is naka-raise sa negative 4. So, baling gagawin natin is i-flip natin siyang buo. Gets? So, the 2, yung 2 magpupunta sa baba, yung lahat. So, 2 x squared 2x squared, tas yung 3, mapupunta sa taas. Negative 3. Yung sa labas lang yung magbabago guys ha, sa labas lang. So, bali 4. Ito magiging negative 3 pa rin. Magre-remain lang siya. So, bali distribute the 4. 3, 4, y raised to negative 3. Distribute. Gets? Then the next is 2 raised to 4 and x squared multiply by 4. Multiply by 4 yan guys. Kasi dinistribute natin siya isa-isa. Gets? Okay, next. So, the 3 raised to 4 is equals to what? 81. So, 81 over 2 raised to 4 is equals to 16. Next, etong y raised to negative 2 ay negative 3 multiplied by 4 is equals to 12. Y raised to negative 12. Next, eto naman is 8. 4 times 2 is 8 is equals to, naka-negative sign lang siya lang. So, dadal natin sa baba. So, 81 over 16. So, may x yan dito guys. So, may x. Nakalimutan lang yan. X. 16. Then, what? Yung y raised to negative 12 dadalhin sa baba. So, yung x8 nasa baba pa rin. Then, yung y raised to negative 12 mapupunta sa baba. Magiging positive na yung negative 12 guys. Gets? So, ganun lang siya guys. Gets? So, that's it guys. Thank you for your support and I love you all to infinity and beyond. Goodbye.